The kitchen is usually the most intimidating room to pack, so we're going to give you some helpful hints to make the process go a little easier. Start by setting up a proper workstation with paper and boxes. Make sure your boxes are at waist height to eliminate constant bending over. When packing dishes, you want to start by doing a bumper of paper on the bottom of the box. The first thing you want to do is take a sheet of paper, crumple it all together, roll it into a second sheet, and then a third. Place the bumper of paper in the bottom of the box. Continue to make bumpers of paper until the bottom of the box is completely covered. The first thing we want to start with is plates. Take one of your plates, set it on your sheet of paper, fold another sheet of paper over, and place another plate on top. Repeat this 2 more times. You want to have a stack of 4 plates. Roll paper around the plates and fold them together. You always want to make sure that you stack your plates vertical in the box. It's safer that way. Next thing we're going to wrap is bowls. Take one of your bowls, set it in the center of the paper, place a sheet over the top, and then a second bowl inside it. Another sheet of paper to cover, and roll them together. Bowls also want to be on their sides inside the box. The next item we want to put in the box is glasses. Take a glass, again, roll it in the paper, and stand the glass up in the box. You always want to make sure your glasses are standing straight up and down inside the box. If you have a cup with a handle, make sure you allow for enough paper to protect the handle. Once you've filled the next layer with glasses and cups, make another bumper of paper to go on top of that level. Utensils can be wrapped together to help keep them uniform in the box. Take a few utensils and roll them in the sheet of paper. Place the utensils on the top of the box and build them up until the box is completely full. Use a second box for pots and pans, as well as Tupperware and other utensils. Make sure you wrap your pots in paper as well as your dishes. You want to wrap the lids separately so they're also protected. Other long utensils such as spoons and spatulas can be bundled together and placed in the box. A smaller box should be used for food and pantry items. Pantry items and canned goods don't need to be wrapped in the white paper.